Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust distributor timing. First, you will need to disconnect the vacuum advance hose from your distributor and then plug it to prevent any air leaks. Next, locate the timing marks on your engine's crankshaft pulley and the engine block. Finally, connect a timing light to the number 1 spark plug wire, ensuring a secure connection for accurate readings before starting your engine. Now, start your engine and let it warm up to its normal operating temperature. With the engine running, aim your timing light at the timing marks on the crankshaft pulley. You will then need to slightly loosen the distributor hold-down bolt. Carefully rotate the distributor body, just a little bit at a time, until the timing marks align perfectly. To advance the timing, you will turn the distributor clockwise, and to retard it, turn it counterclockwise. Make very small adjustments. Once the marks are aligned to your vehicle's specifications, carefully tighten the distributor hold-down bolt. It is crucial to recheck the timing immediately after tightening to ensure it has not shifted, maintaining precision. As a final step, reconnect the vacuum advance hose to the distributor. Then, take your vehicle for a test drive to confirm optimal performance and responsiveness. Pay close attention to any unusual engine knocking or pinging sounds, which could indicate incorrect timing. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for the precise timing specifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.